Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Dear guys, in previous video lecture we have discussed transformation of axis. In that our topic was translation of axis. Is it? So in the translation of axis we have discussed the concept. I want to explain one more time that concept, that is only with a glance. So if the origin is shifted to h comma k by the translation of axis, then x is equal to x dash plus h, y is equal to y dash plus k. So if you want to find here x comma y is the old point, x dash y dash is the new point. If you want to find the new point, if you want to find the old point by given new point, so old point coordinates of the old point are x dash plus h comma y dash plus k. If they are given old point, if you want to find new point in the sense the point, the coordinates of the point which is in new axis. Okay, then x dash is equal to x minus h, y dash is equal to y minus k. Okay, then like this. And we have discussed about transformation of axis also. So sorry, transformed equation when the translation of, in the case of translation of axis. Okay, now based on this we solve two questions. Okay, my dear students, look at the question. This is the question which is belongs to second exercise, exercise 2a, second problem. The origin is shifted to 2, 3 by translation of axis. See, origin is shifted to by translation of axis if the coordinates of a point P changed as minus 4, 3. Find the coordinates of P in the original system. Okay, here the coordinates of point are changed as like this. And we have to find the coordinates of P in the original system. In the original system, what will be the names of, coordinates of point P? So let x dash comma y dash be the new coordinates. New coordinates of x comma y. Is it? Here what are these? Minus 4, 3 are the new coordinates. That means x dash comma y dash is equal to minus 4, 3. And here what is 2, 3? Origin is shifted to this point, means h comma k is equal to 2, 3. Okay, clear. So here h comma k is equal to 2, 3. Now you have to find the point in original system. That means this is the point. So what is our definition? So by the definition of translation of axis, so x dash, x is equal to x dash plus h, then x dash is equal to x minus h. Okay, and y dash is equal to y minus k, but we want x comma y na, so x is equal to x dash plus h, y is equal to y dash plus k. So this is our required answer. Okay, I want x comma y point. So what is the formula? What are the coordinates of x comma y? X dash plus h comma y dash plus k. So x dash value is minus 4 plus h value is 2 comma y dash value is 3 plus k value is 3. So minus 4 plus 2 comma 3 plus 3, that is equal to minus 2 comma 6 is my required point, the coordinates of point P in the original system. Therefore required coordinates of P in the original system are minus 2 comma 6. Okay, clear. So like this you have to find. That means from new point to old point. From new point to old point. So in the previous question we have discussed regarding finding the coordinates of point P in the original system. Now in this question, see, when the origin is shifted to the point 2, 3, the transformed equation of a curve is x square plus 3xy minus 2y square plus 17x minus 7y minus 11 is equal to 0. Then find the original equation of the curve. Okay, they are given here. The equation of transformed equation they are given. This is the transformed equation of the curve of some other curve which is in the original system. that curve we have to find. Here this is the point, origin is shifted to this point, so it is h comma k. Okay, it is h comma k. Then what will be the, let here x dash comma y dash be the new coordinates of x comma y. Okay, and here h comma k is equal to 2 comma 3, and here h comma k is equal to 2 comma 3. Is it clear? Here h comma k is equal to 2 comma 3. Now here what is given equation? This is a transformed equation. So they are given transformed equation. Given equation is transformed equation. So it should be in the form, in terms of x dash and y dash. Okay. So then it becomes x dash square plus 3x dash y dash minus 2y dash square plus 17x dash minus 7y dash minus 11 is equal to 0. Clear? Now this equation should convert into xy. Okay. As we know that we have, according to definition of translation of axis, x is equal to x dash plus h and y is equal to y dash, y is equal to y dash plus k. Okay. Here x, y as it is, x dash, y dash as it is. And from here I have to replace x dash by x minus h and y dash by y minus k. Then this will become the equation of the curve which is in the original system. Is it? So you have to replace x dash by x minus h and y dash by y minus h. So here what is the value of h comma k? 2 comma 3. So x dash is equal to x minus 2 and y dash is equal to y minus 3. So these are my required coordinates of x dash comma y dash. So now we have to substitute these two values in this equation 1. Okay, in this equation you have to substitute. So then it becomes, so equation 1 becomes like this, see. So x dash means x minus 2 whole square. So I have to replace x dash by x minus 2, y dash by y minus 3 plus 3 into x dash is equal to x minus 2 and y dash means y minus 3 minus 2 into y dash square. So y minus 3 whole square plus 17 into x dash value is x minus 2 minus 7 y dash. Y dash is equal to y minus 3 minus 11 is equal to 0. Okay. Now x minus 2 whole square, a minus b whole square, a square plus b square minus 2ab. Okay. Plus 3 into distributive property x into y minus 3. So x into y minus 3. Okay. Minus 2 into y minus 3. I repeat, x into y minus 3 minus 2 into y minus 3. Okay. Minus 2 times of y minus 3 whole square. That means a square plus b square minus 2ab formula. So a square plus b square means 3 square value 9 minus 2ab. 2 into y into 3. Okay. Plus 17 times of x minus 2. 17 into x, 17x minus 17 into 2, 34. Minus 34 because here before the bracket here is plus sign. So no change in the signs. So but here is minus 7. So negative sign. So signs will be changed here. So minus 7y minus into minus plus 7 3 21 minus 11 is equal to 0. Minus 11 is equal to 0. Clear? Now you have to simplify this equation. So x square plus 4 minus 4x plus direct I am multiplying with 3 also. 3 into x, 3x into y. 3 into x into y minus h. So 3xy minus 3 3 are 9x. Now plus 2 minus minus. 3 2 are 6 into y plus 3 2 are 6 3 are 18. Okay, plus into minus minus, minus into minus plus 3 into 2, 6 into 3, 18. plus into minus minus, 3 2 are 6 into y, 6y, clear? Now here also minus 2y square, minus into plus minus, 9 2 are 18, minus into minus plus, 2 2 are 4, 4 3 are 12, 12y, okay, plus 17x, minus, this is 34, okay, it is 34, minus 7y, plus 21 minus 11 plus 10 is equal to 0. Okay, now we have to simplify x square terms. Any x square terms here? So here x square terms, no x square terms, x square. Next y square terms, minus 2y square alone. Next xy terms, plus 3xy. There is no other x square term. Next x terms, minus 4x, minus 9x. Minus 4x, minus 9x. Minus 4x, minus 9x, minus 13x. Minus 13x plus 17x. Minus 13x plus 17x plus 4x. Okay. Minus 13x plus 17x plus 4x. Next y terms. Here minus 6y plus 12y plus 6y minus 7y plus 6y minus 7y. We get here minus y. Okay, minus y. Next we have completed x square term, y square term, x square terms, x terms, y terms. Next constant. Any constant terms here? So 4 remaining terms are constant terms. 4 plus 18, 22. 22 plus minus 18. So plus 18 minus 18 cancel here. So plus 10 no, plus 4 plus 14 minus 34. Plus 14 minus 34 gives us minus 20 is equal to 0. So this is the required equation. Required original equation. It is required original equation. So required original equation is x square plus 3xy minus 2y square plus 4x minus y minus 20 is equal to 0. This is the required original equation. So in this way we can find when the origin is shifted to some other point. Okay, see the question. When the origin is shifted to the point h comma k 2 comma 3, then transformed equation of a curve is given. Then they ask us to find the original equation of the curve. So it is the most important question, 5-star question it is. Pakka 4 marks question. So this model. So based on this only, this is the one problem, and in exercise 2a 5 second also based on same model, 5th problem also. So please try to solve these two problems and we get 4 marks easily. Okay, thank you students. I hope you are clear about the concept and solutions of these two problems. Practice well. If you understood clearly, please like our videos and please share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe our channel, and also click on the bell icon to get the notifications. Okay, thank you, bye bye. We will meet in the next video with another concept, that is rotation of axis, transformation of axis. Okay.